So, Om, shall we start? Shall we begin?
Yes, sir.
Is it really important to be religious in life? We can also live our life without being religious.
Yes, sir. But it is.
Please, could
It
you
should
please?
be. Yeah, as we all know, some people are living without religion, but they have not sequence to live their life. Like whenever they are stuck in something, they don't know how to overcome. But those are belongs to religion. They directly find the happiness in the God.
What is the best religion in this world?
Sir, I can't define till now.
Do you think every religion says we are the best?
Yes, sir.
And every religion has only one purpose, only one motto, to promote their religion all over the world. You can talk about Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Buddhism, and many more. I don't know the name. I mean, everyone has same agenda. You can talk about any religion. What's your comment about it?
Yes, sir. Everyone is promoting their religion, but there is one more thing. They also tell the demerits about their others' religion, as like as I heard sometime in the Hindu religion, people always define and discriminate those believe the other gods.
Nowadays, I'm watching on Instagram and many more social media platforms. We are finding many of religious kids. Those are preaching on the number of books they are preaching. So people are making comment. Nowadays, Indian peoples are taking more interest to make their children and convert their children into Baba rather than study. What do you want to say about it?
First, sir, not somewhere, definitely it is good if they are following their culture. Those parents are promoting their children on religion. So maybe they are also they also belong to religion. But people have judged like them the Baba. They are making them Baba, but they don't know their future will be bright also. Those habits and those quality normal children have not, they will have.
Do you want to be Baba in the future?
Yeah, sir. Sometimes if I will have some kind of quality, so I will also.
We have found recently a case you must have heard about.
वो हाथरस.
Sadhguru. Have you heard about Sadhguru?
संत रामपाल जी.
Sadhguru. Isha Foundation.
I didn't heard.
You haven't heard about Sadhguru?
Sir,
Isha
I heard, but I
Foundation?
didn't research about it.
Who is your favorite? Who is your favorite and most liked spiritual guru? You love the most. You listen to the most. You think he is a very genuine person.
Sir, according to me, my Acharya ji, I like to listen more.
What are you fascinated about towards him? What fascinates you towards him?
Sir, I am passionate to.
Yeah, fascinated.
Fascinate means.
Attracted हो आप, fascinated हो उनकी तरफ.
Okay.
Because you say like I follow him, I believe in him. I think he is the right one, genuine person.
First thing, he always tried to make everyone in a right path. I like this thing, and he always, whenever some person in is stuck or in is a kind of difficulty, so he always make to him push. He will not help. He will help in a like unhidely, secretly. So the person will overcome that type of situation.
Do you think are you doing something wrong in your life?
I don't think, sir.
Are you sure about it?
Yes, sir.
If you come to know that God doesn't exist at all, will your belief or honesty be affected? You come to know right now that God doesn't exist. There is no such philosophy of God. Will your dignity go down?
Yes, sir. My dignity will go down.
So what will you do first? Will you tease an eagle or steal the money?
The thing that I know it is a bad thing, so I will never do.
But you said na, my dignity will go down.
Sir, dignity is not means like if we have not dignity, so we will do the illegal or which work we shouldn't do. I will do. I will never do. Moreover, I have not dignity, but I will never do this kind of thing.
Anything you want us to know about you? Please talk to us. Look at everyone. You want us to know about you. Something that you think we should know about you.
If you will ask to me, so I will say my good thing.
Yes, please. We want to listen your good things.
Sir,
Let us know.
whenever someone talk to me, first I talk in first time very like polite way, but and I also help the person that who is in stuck and who is he's facing the problem
Do you
in their.
easily पिघल जाते हो?
Yes sir.
हाँ?
When someone cries, sir, then I easily पिघल जाता हूँ.
So do you give shoulder to people?
Yes sir.
How many people have you given shoulder?
Like sir, I can, if I will say so, you will think he's then दोनों लाइट मारा. No sir, I can mention, but
कैसे होगा? हाँ?
like when someone, whatever I know in my English communication, if someone is asking to me, so I help also always. Like we had the student like Monica, but the Nidhi always said to him he is making a person demotivate, but I denied this.
Okay, we're talking about Nidhi.
Not Monica. Who Nidhi said to Monica like Om always demotivate everyone, but
Okay, you demotivate people.
Yeah.
Someone said about you.
yeah, Nidhi said, not someone.
So you think you are not
Yes,
a kind
sir.
of a person.
Yes sir.
Well, clap for it.